If you're a Muslim student, here are 5 essential things that I think you should do. Make your screensaver on your phone or your laptop the study du'as. Every time you study, you read these du'as first. And I'm telling you, the study session will be so effective, you will be shocked. Your exams will be so easy because you have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with you. If you're not feeling motivated, listen to this YouTube video of the life story of Imam Bukhari. I watch this video every single year before my exam season, and it's so motivating. You need to hear about how this guy used to travel the world to write hadith and how dedicated he was to his knowledge. After you listen to the video, you will be so motivated to study and work hard, you won't need convincing. Go to the masjid if you're feeling lonely during exam season. When I'm studying, I don't really like to socialize too much. I like to get locked in and focused with my studies, but you cannot spend prolonged periods of time isolated. That's not good for your mental health. So when I feel like I need some socializing time, I go to the masjid. I get extra reward for praying in the masjid, and I get to see some friends and people in the community. It is the best way to socialize when you're studying. Ask your mother to pray for you. She's going to pray for you anyway. But when you tell her, can you pray for me? I have an exam and I'm having difficulty, just make extra dua for me. She will pray for you 1,000 times more. The duas of your parents are like no other. So whenever you're going through any difficulty, just ask your parents to make dua for you, and oh my God, your life will change. 1% of my success is from my own hard work. 99% is from the du'as of my parents and their parents. Pray tahajjud as frequently as you can. If you truly want something in life, you will wake up for it in the final third of the night and you will ask Allah. If you can't wake up in the middle of the night, you don't have the desire that you claim to have. The dua of tahajjud is like an arrow that doesn't miss its target. That dua is going to help you in your exams. If you have the belief and the conviction that anything is possible, the dua of tahajjud is unbelievably powerful. I've completed 4 years of medical school with ease. Wallah, I'm not a genius. I don't work 10 times harder than the other person, but I pray, I make dua, and I have such strong belief and conviction that when I make dua for something, Allah will answer it. And I'm telling you, if you do the things from this video, if you prioritize your iman and your deen and your salah and your duas, everything else in life, your studies, your health, your work, your finances, they will all be taken care of. But if you don't take care of your iman, everything else in life will crumble. I think this is one of the most important lessons of being a student, especially if you live away from home. It's learning how to prioritize your deen yourself without the influence of your parents telling you what to do and your siblings and everyone else around you. Being alone at university, if you can adopt this kind of mindset that I'm going to put my iman first, I am a Muslim before I am anything else. If you can do the things that I mentioned in this video, your life is going to be so easy. You will look back and say, why didn't I do this earlier? It is literally like a cheat code. Life becomes so easy when you put the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first.